Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday. Very unusual schedule. This is an extra bonus, if you want to call it like that. No, in all seriousness, this video is to showcase my latest collection to my website. So as you guys know, if you are familiar with my YouTube channel, I offer a VIP lounge monthly subscription service that every month when you join, every month you get digital papers straight to your email address. Okay, you also get a discount code to use across everything on my website, and then every month I give my VIP members like an extra kit, and I don't know, it changes every month. They get a free extra kit, an offer, a special discount code, etc, etc. And every month I gift them a gift box letter. So we started this last year, and now we are on so for this month we are on letter M. So I had lots of questions from some of my VIP members themselves that joined the subscriptions a bit later after I start designing the gift boxes, and also from some of my viewers and my customers. They said, "Oh, Antonio, we love the gift box letters. Is there any way you can pull them together to sell separately?" Of course I can. Just to specify, my VIP members get these 3D gift box letters for free, of course, as part of the subscription. But if you guys wish to purchase them, they are available on my website. Before I show you the files on PDF, let me put now the little frame on one of my latest video when I showcase what the letters, the gift box letters, looks like when they're done up. Of course, my VIP members get them for free, but they are available on the website. I've got A, B, C, D, E, F. Then I've got G, H, I. Then we've got J, K, L. And every letter, of course, is different. It's got a different design. And last month, M. Okay, guys, so the first PDF file that you get is this one. It's called Assembly Instruction. And basically, it's a bundle of 13 pages, so 1 page per letter, as you can see on the screen, when you basically gives you some tips on how to put the letters together. So there is, again, 1 per letter. Okay, the reason why I split the files into 2 is because I thought it would be easier for you guys to print this on normal copy paper and print, and just send it one to print, and then the other file, which is I'll show you in just a second, with all the letters, you send it to color copy on a thicker cardstock. It just saves you some money on ink and paper. Okay, so as you can see, we've got from letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, and K. And then we got the L and the last, which is the letter M. And the second file that you guys get is this one here, which is called letter A to M. Excuse me. So what I've done, the main page, let me just zoom it out so you can see. The main letters have the actual letter, all the parts, and always there is the front and back letter. When I had space on the page, I gave you some extra elements. Could be embellishment, could be ephemera, etc. So on the letter A, you got all the front and the back of the letter A, and plus some butterflies. On the letter B, so you got the B and all the side components, and the back of the letter B, I just decided to give you some extra, and an extra half page that you guys can journal or create anything. On the letter C, so you get the letter C and all the sides, and actually on the back of the letter C, you have a pillow box. On the letter D, you get the page without the letter front and the components. And then the letter D, I gave you some butterflies, some tabs and embellishment. Letter E is one of my favorite. It's the one with the graffiti. It's just one page because I was able to fit front and back. Letter F was the same. So as you can see, it's front and back. Letter G is the one with the unicorn. I gave you the front, the letter G with the components, and the back, again, I gave you half page full of rainbows and unicorns that you guys can use. Letter H, you have here the front and all the side components, and the back of the letter H, you have another pillow box. So again, if you print this on a thicker cardstock, you get quite a lot of extra bits for your money. Letter I, because the letter I is probably the simplest letter to do it up, because it's literally 4 rectangulars with a tab and then front and back. I gave you an envelope, see, so you can just, that's the back. Letter J is another one of my favorite. You got the letter J, all the components, the back of the letter J, and then a beautiful scallop envelope. Okay. Letter K is the one with Peter Rabbit, if we can call it like that. You have the front of the letter K with the other components, couple of circle ephemera, so those 2. And then you get a third circle ephemera and another envelope. Again, you get loads and loads of freebies. Letter L, that's the back with, again, another pillow box. And that's the letter L with all the components. And the last letter, which is the M, I managed to fit them all front and back. And that's the latest with the circus theme. Okay, so this is my website, antoniomakes.com. This is what you see when you open it from a computer or laptop, etc. So it's just here. Okay, so every time I upload a new file, it goes straight to the top. Okay, so you click on here, and that's the 3D left gift boxes. Okay. And then it basically says here, it's a bundle of my VIP Lunch Special digital papers containing all the alphabet letters from A to M gift boxes. The zip files include 2 PDF, and I explain you here how to open a zip files. They're very, very easy. You just simply double click, simple as. But again, there is a little explanation on how to open it. And then if you're not sure, you click on Google, search how to open a zip file, and you find the answer. Okay. Okay, guys, I hope it was all clear. Apologies, it took me forever to pull this together, but I've been very busy with work lately. So, yeah, I just think I'm going to have a little nap because I'm exhausted. Right, guys, I'm going to go. Again, the link of this, it will be down below, or is just shown on the video here. Just simply go into my website and we'll find the gift boxes there. If you have a discount code, don't forget to use your discount code as well, so to give you some money off. All right. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And until tomorrow, Monday, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.